Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Christopher and I hope y'all are having a fabulous day. Y'all come with me. Today we're gonna unbox some Coach items, so stick around. Before I do that, I do wanna say thanks to all my returning subscribers. Now, if you're new to my channel and you love luxury, handbags, and fashion, and Coach as much as I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all definitely hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff there. And for everything else, Mad Hatter, definitely check out my beacon links. It's gonna be the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there, shopping codes, discount codes as well. And you can also shop my personal Mercari and Depop closet as well. So you'll find stuff there, so check it out. With all that being said, if everybody could just stop for one moment before you leave this video, if you're enjoying it, and give me a big thumbs up. It does help my channel to grow, and I do appreciate y'all for doing that. So y'all, with all that out of the way and being said, we've got several items here we're gonna unbox now. There was a lot of sales going on over the last week or so, and I picked up a few items. Now, if you watched my last video, I did say in that video that I was done with this bag. No more, I'm not gonna get another one. I'm moving on from this bag. Well, that was a lie. Y'all, this bag went on sale and I saw it and I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna get another one of these, which I didn't need it, but I fell in love with the Love Leather one that I got, y'all. So I saw this one and I said, if I was to get another one, this would be the only one. And it was on sale, so guess what? I bought it. So we're gonna unbox that today together, but let me show you what bag it is and you'll know. So this is the Brooklyn 39, and y'all, if you know on this channel, I've gone through this trial and tribulation with this bag. I actually had it in the olive green suede, and it just wasn't for me, y'all, but I have it in this Love Leather now. I got it from Dillard's on sale for $330, plus they took an additional 15% off because I'm pretty sure it was like a floor model that they, you know, somebody had tried on and stuff, and it had a little bit of wear on it, but nothing major. But so I got even an extra 15% off of the $330, so that was a really great discount. And y'all, I'm in love with this bag. I just love the way it feels when I wear it. It's super, super nice. Let me show you what it looks like on. So yeah, so here it is on. I just think it's such a beautiful bag and it's so comfortable to wear. I have just fallen in love with it. So that was the reason I bought another one, but I'm gonna unbox the new one for y'all, and we're gonna unbox a couple more items that I got from Coach, and we'll see what I got. So y'all stick around and let's do the unboxing. All right, y'all, so first off, let's unbox a couple of items I got that I've been waiting for. These actually came from the Coach outlet, and I had ordered these before I actually ordered the bag, and they actually came later than the bag. The bag actually came earlier. Well, I will say this, it's a charm, a shirt, and then the bag. The charm came first, the t-shirt came today, the bag came yesterday, and I ordered that bag days and days after I ordered this other order. So let's open it up together, and of course I've got some nice little envelopes here from Coach. Gotta love these. I don't think this is the asbestos one, and it looks like, honestly, it looks like it's been taped back shut, or maybe they just put a little extra tape on it, but let's open it up and see what I got here. All this stuff was on sale, y'all, so I got some really good deals here, and that's probably the only reason I really got it, because I love Coach's charms, but I will only try to get them unless it's just something I gotta have when they're on sale. So I got this charm here. Okay, so there it is. Let me open it up for you. What charm do y'all think I got? There were several that were on sale. A lot of the $95 ones were on sale for like $37.50. But I got this charm here. It's the bigger apple in the black with the crystals. So pretty. It's got the dark leaf on it there. And of course it's in silver hardware with your Coach logo and everything. So I wanted this one for a while and I just wouldn't pay full price for it. The bottom of it's kind of flat and shiny, but the rest of it is covered in those beautiful crystals. This is gonna look so good on some of my bags, y'all. So I got this on sale for $60. I think it was originally, I wanna say $150, but really, really beautiful. I love the leaf on it. Okay, so that is my only little charm I got on this little haul here. So let's put that to the side here, and I'm gonna show you the t-shirt I got, okay? So unfortunately this one came today, y'all, and it's in a big asbestos envelope. So see if we can't open it up without getting asbestos poisoning. I'm gonna hold it away. Okay. Oh, did it tear? Oh, it didn't tear. Come on now. Okay, there we go. All right, let's get in here and see the shirt. I've ordered several shirts from Coach, and I've always seemed to send them back or have to take them back, but I think I finally found my size. You know, I lost some weight over this last year, and I just was unsure of what size I wore, but I've come to find that the large is my size in the Coach t-shirt. So I'm happy to actually get some shirts that I can wear. This one here from the Brain Dead drop is a large here, and it's actually a little bit loose on me, so they do fit a little bit bigger. But this one was really cute, and it was on sale too, I want to say for $50. And it's hard to find the larger sizes of their shirts in the large size, so they usually sell out of them quick, but here it is. There is the print on the front. Look how cute. All right, so here it is. Look how cute that is. I love the print on the front of it, so that's really nice. It's got a train on the bottom of it. All right, so that's really cute. It says Coach Leatherwear on it, so another cute shirt to add to my collection, and this looks like it's a really good size. Their shirts are made really well, and the prints on them feel really well, so I'm happy with it. There is the front of it again, and of course it's got your Coach tag and all on it, and your tags and all come on it. So these are really nice shirts. The back of it is just a plain white, but so cute with the blue Coach and the strawberry on the front. So nice. All right, so that's gonna be another cute shirt I can wear. All right, y'all, so that was item number 2. So now let's open up the Coach Brooklyn 39 that I said I was not ever gonna get another one of. But now this one actually came from Coach, and it just happened to be on sale in their deals this week, and I saw it and I said, gotta get it. All right, which one do y'all think it is? What print do you think it is? Okay, so let's open it up and see together here. I don't know, y'all. I carried the Brooklyn to work this week, the 39 that I got in the Love Leather, and I just love it. It's completely different in the regular leather than it is in that suede. Suede, like I said, suede's just not for me, apparently. All right, well, let's see here what I got. Which one do y'all think I got? Can you see in the box? It's sold out now, so I'm happy I got it. I figured it probably would, especially at the price that I got it for. I think it was about $274. And it is the patchwork one with the snake print. So let's open it up together here. And if you saw my last one that came from Dillard's, I'm pretty sure it was a used bag. I like when I get bags like this that are wrapped up, because I know nobody else has used them, and I know they're probably gonna be in pretty good shape. The other one had a lot of wear on it, plus the handle was all folded down, so I was not happy about that. But let's take this one out of its plastic wrapper so you can see this beautiful snake skin. It's got some suede on it, but it's not completely suede. And that was the one thing, is I said if I get anything suede, it's just gonna have suede accents. I can't do a complete suede bag. It's just not for me, but I love this. It looks really sleek, and it's gonna look really, really good with some charms and stuff on it. So nice, especially once you put some stuff in it and it starts to get that nice slouch. But look how pretty it is, and look at the snake skin on it. Love that. And there's just the patchwork on it together looks good. So very, very nice. There is the bottom. All right, let me get all of the packaging off of this Brooklyn 39 so y'all can see what it looks like, and I'll put a couple items in it and I'm gonna try it on and show you what it looks like on, because it really gets a good slouch once you put it on. All right, y'all, so I got all of the wrapping off of the Brooklyn 39 here in this beautiful patchwork with the snake skin, suede, and leather, maple leather. It's really pretty. Look at all the patches on it. Of course, you have your Coach logoing on the front there in the gold. This one has gold hardware on it. And it's got a little luggage tag there on the side, and the D-ring is gold and everything. Then you have another luggage tag on the inside of this area here that you can actually like run a charm or chain around to the other side. So that's a really cute little feature. The interior of this bag right here is a suede material, if you can see down on the inside there. So it's completely suede. And then of course you have your story patch down in there on the back side here. I'm not gonna be able to get to it because these bags are hard to get into, but it's super, super nice. And here is the back side of it. Very nice. And then of course I showed you the bottom before, but that's the bottom of it. And let me show you, let's try it on. Like I said, the leather on it's really nice. It's that maple color, and it's so soft and it feels so good on your body when you carry it on your shoulder. And it looks so much better once you put a little something in it and it has that slouch. So let me put some stuff in it and I'm gonna show you the slouch. It did come with a dust bag, just to let you know that. But let's try it on. Let's put a few things in it and let's see what it looks like, and I'll compare it to the Love Leather one. All right, y'all, here is the Brooklyn 39 in the Love Leather. Y'all let me know which one you think you like the best. Probably the Love Leather one, but let me just show you what it looks like on. Like I said, they're very, very comfortable to wear, and they just fit really nicely, and you actually don't even feel like you have anything on. But I love this bag, and it carries so much stuff in it, and it just feels comfortable on. So one of my favorites, especially compared to the all suede one that I got. So definitely be keeping this one forever, okay? All right, let's try on the patchwork snake, and I put a few things in it just so it would have a little bit of a slouch to it. So here it is. It's got a little slouch now to it, and just look how beautiful it is in that snake skin and suede and maple. I love it. All right, and let me show you what it looks like on. Same size bag as the 39, and then here it is on. So very nice. It's gonna look really good with some charms and stuff on it. So I'm really happy with my purchase on this one too. Y'all let me know what you think. Which one is your favorite? Do you like the Love Leather one or the snakeskin print better? I don't know. It's hard to choose, but I think I actually like the Love Leather one better. But this one is really beautiful too. So really, really nice bags. All right, y'all. So that is all of my purchases from this last little Coach haul that I did. From these few little sales that they had. I love the charm that I got. I think it's really beautiful, and I'm so glad I waited to get this one for a super nice discount of $60. So really good steal on that, and I love the t-shirt I got too. I always try to look for these Coach shirts, but I can never find them, but this one is really nice, and I'm glad I got it. It's a white t-shirt, and I think it's gonna look really good once it shrinks up a little bit and I wash it. And then of course my Brooklyn and the patchwork with the snake print and the suede. Super, super sleek and very cute. So I love this bag too. All right, y'all, I appreciate y'all so much for watching my video today. Thanks for watching the review and unboxing of these items. I hope you enjoyed it. Y'all, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe now and hit the bell notification so you know next time I have a new video. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all definitely do that as well. And don't forget, stop before you leave, give this video a big thumbs up. I appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all on my next video. Y'all have a wonderful night. Bye.